Yo, you interested in seeing how a clothing brand is ran? Let me try to help you out. What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Big Brando, and today we're going to be talking all about tracking the journey of running a clothing brand. Now, as most of you guys know, all of this information is already on my channel, but the reason I'm making this video right here is because my younger son came to me and was interested in starting his own clothing brand. Now, it's nothing for me to be like, all right, cool, let's do it. I'm not a dream killer, but I'm also a realist, and I told my son the same thing I tell everybody else. You got to start by first knowing who you're going to sell to. Knowing your customer is everything. But I also let them know it's a lot of hard work also. I own all the equipment. I can source the blank t-shirts. I can source the transfers for them. I can help them with marketing. I could do all of this stuff because that's what I do. But at the end of the day, it comes down to putting in your own work. And I'm a firm believer in teaching my kids not to be afraid of hard work. So what we're gonna start doing is he's gonna be taking over the Churro Squad for now. He's gonna do all the marketing. He's gonna fulfill all the orders. He's also gonna get all of the profit. He's gonna run the Churro Squad on his own. So before he starts his own brand, he's gonna have a chance to learn as he goes. Now, most of you guys already know, Churro Squad, I make these t-shirts that say in loving memory of all the churros I'm about to eat. Has the praying hands with the churro in there. I used to sell these t-shirts probably 7-8 years ago. They did very well. Recently, I just brought them back and I was gonna start ramping things back up. I even thought about changing the name, but I just said, nah, you know what? We're just gonna put it up, Churro Squad name, put the t-shirts back up, offer some sticker packs, few new products, and keep it moving. Now, my son's been with me the whole time I was selling these things. Like I said, 7-8 years ago, we was going to Disneyland. He's seen me grinding these shirts out. He's seen me fulfilling orders, cutting down transfers. He's been with me every step of the way through observation only. Now he's gonna be hands-on with it. But what I really want him to get out of this whole experience is really tapping in with his customers, knowing who he's gonna be selling these t-shirts to, knowing how to make new designs that talk to those customers, and also giving them a chance to run the whole show. So I'm gonna start this series on Instagram and TikTok. You'll see a lot of short form videos of him going through the process. Maybe I'll bring him in over here and I'll basically interview him maybe once a week or once every other week. Try to get his thoughts and see what he's liking, what he's not liking, what he's understanding, what he's not understanding. And this information right here will eventually help the people that watch these videos too, that are going through the same exact thing. But I'm also going to take him back to the very beginning and let him source his own blank t-shirts. I'll show him a bunch of different ones and I'll let him pick which one he thinks looks the best, feels the best, fits his budget. Same thing with the transfers. I'll show him a bunch of different samples. I'll let him pick which one he thinks is going to be the best for the brand. Everything from picking different colorways to coming up with concepts and new designs. He's not a graphic designer, but he does have ideas for things that he wants to do or things that he thinks is cool. So obviously I'm going to help him bring those things to life, but everything will be done based around him and what he thinks. So when it comes to hats, t-shirts, hoodies, whatever he wants to release, will be solely based off of him. I think this is going to be a good exercise for him. I also think this is going to make good content because there's so many other people out there that are planning on starting their own brand and they don't know how to get started or they don't know the first steps to take and stuff like that. So tracking this progress is going to be a good thing for everybody. But mainly it's going to help teach my son what he needs to know when he wants to start his own brand. So if you wanted to follow along, you could check out the Churro Squad on Instagram. That's where he's going to be posting a lot of the stuff, trying out his own marketing tactics, doing his own photo shoots and promoting the stuff and all of that good stuff. What I'll be doing is I'll be filming him doing all of this stuff and also trying to help him out, give him some tips here and there. Obviously, let him make his own mistakes, but also let him bask in his own wins. When things are going good for him, I'm gonna let him have that. Now, the second part to all of this is gonna be, I'm gonna be teaching him every single thing that I wrote in my ebook. This is gonna help me figure out what I need to add to the ebook or what I need to take out, or if the ebook is ready to be launched to the public. Everything that I've written down in this ebook is what I'm gonna be coaching him on. Chapter by chapter, line by line, reference by reference is going to be based off of this ebook that I've been writing. So that way I can see if somebody follows every step of this ebook, if I can help them achieve success, then I know this ebook will do somebody well. I'm not just trying to put out anything and just try to get money from people. I want this information to be as impactful as possible. So why not test it out on my own son? So if you're here for this type of content, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, if you're thinking about starting your own clothing brand or selling some t-shirts, I highly recommend following along. I'm gonna post a lot of these videos on Big Brando TV on my Instagram. You could follow the Churro Squad. That's where he's gonna be posting everything that he's learning and putting it to use. And then from there, you can see how everything's working out. And as a disclaimer, my son's 12 years old. He's into sneakers, he's into clothes. So he has a good idea on what he personally thinks is cool and what's not cool. So it'll be dope to see it through his eyes. Now, if you got questions about anything I talked about in this video, please let me know in the comments. You can always follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. That's where you're gonna see this whole series taking place with my son and just the other random stuff that I post all the time. And I'll try to get him in here and sit on these chairs and I'll interview him just to get his thoughts also. All right, appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.